Looking for an expert and affordable veterinarian to care for your cat or dog? For your bird? For your snake? For your iguana? For your bearded dragon? Or other small animal and you're in Lexington or the surrounding area? Look no further and give us a call to schedule your exam. We have been serving the greater Lexington area for years and have highly trained vets and staff to take excellent care of your loved pet. We offer general wellness checkups, vaccinations, spay and neuter, dental care, parasite screening, allergy testing, surgery, and diagnostic testing including blood panels, urinalysis, ultrasound, EKGs, and x-rays. We are professional, reliable, caring, friendly, and affordable. Take care of your furry friend or your cold-blooded family member today by giving us a call.